Are you dreaming of a side hustle that could boost your income without draining your energy? Imagine turning your free hours into a money-making machine, even if you have zero experience or resources. Today, we'll walk through how to start a side hustle from absolutely nothing and transform it into something valuable. Ready to explore a roadmap that's both simple and powerful? Let's dive in and get you started on your path to earning more. Number 1. Understand your why and set realistic goals. Starting a side hustle might sound exciting, but understanding why you want it is crucial. Ask yourself, are you aiming to supplement your income, gain new skills, or maybe even transition to a full-time business one day? Having a clear goal can help you choose a hustle that fits your life. Setting realistic goals is also essential for success. Instead of aiming to make thousands right away, start small. Maybe it's earning an extra $200 a month. Once you achieve that, you can gradually increase your target. Side hustles thrive on manageable steps, so don't rush. Steady growth will keep you motivated and help you stay on track without feeling overwhelmed. Number 2. Identify your skills and interests. You might be thinking, I don't have any skills that I can turn into a side hustle. But that's usually not true. Most people have unique strengths or hobbies they can turn into money-making opportunities. Start by making a list of things you enjoy or are good at. Maybe you're skilled in writing, art, organization, or even just great with people. Even if nothing stands out right now, consider what you enjoy learning about. Often, the skills we love to learn become our best assets in a side hustle. Many of these skills can be turned into a side hustle with minimal effort or training. So list your strengths, interests, or hobbies as a starting point. Number 3. Research potential side hustles. There are countless options for side hustles. Some popular ones include freelancing, online tutoring, social media management, reselling products, or even starting a small blog or YouTube channel. The key is to research a few options and find one that fits your lifestyle and goals. For example, freelancing is perfect if you have a specific skill, like graphic design or writing, while reselling might be a good choice if you love shopping for deals. Look for online articles, join social media groups, or even watch videos to learn about different types of side hustles and see which ones match your interests. Exploring various options first ensures you pick something that aligns well with your schedule, skills, and goals. Number 4. Start with what you have. Starting a side hustle doesn't mean you need to buy fancy equipment or invest a lot of money. If you're beginning from scratch, try to use what you already have. For example, if you want to try freelancing, you only need a computer and an internet connection. For a reselling business, you can start by selling things from your own closet or garage. The internet is filled with free resources, from tutorials to tools, that can help you get started. If you want to learn something new, YouTube is packed with tutorials that cost nothing. Don't let a lack of funds stop you. Creativity is your greatest asset when you're just starting. Number 5. Find your first customer or client. This is often the most challenging step, but with some effort, you can land your first customer or client. Begin by sharing your new side hustle with friends, family, and social media. Even if no one in your immediate circle is interested, they might know someone who is. If you're freelancing, websites like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer are great platforms to connect with potential clients. For selling products, you can try platforms like Etsy, eBay, or even local Facebook groups. Don't worry about making your first sale perfect. Focus on gaining experience and feedback to improve your services. By sharing your hustle with people you know and exploring online platforms, you can reach a wider audience. Number 6. Provide value before expecting profit. One of the secrets to a successful side hustle is focusing on the value you provide rather than the money you'll make right away. When you deliver quality, even at a lower price initially, customers and clients are more likely to come back and spread the word about your services. Let's say you're starting a photography business. Offer discounted sessions to your first few clients to build your portfolio. This strategy builds trust and gives you valuable practice. Eventually, positive reviews and referrals will help you grow your side hustle, so start by focusing on delivering value. Profits will follow as your reputation and client base grow. Number 7. Stay consistent and be patient. Success in a side hustle doesn't happen overnight. Building a steady stream of clients or sales takes time. Make a schedule and stick to it, even if it's just 1 hour each day. Small, consistent actions lead to big results over time. If things are slow at first, don't get discouraged. Many successful side hustlers started with 0 sales or clients for weeks, even months. Persistence is key, and as you gain experience, you'll learn what works best. Remember that consistency over time builds success, so don't give up if things start slow. Growth takes time and effort. Number 8, keep learning and improving. A successful side hustle requires continuous learning. Whether it's improving your skills, studying marketing techniques, or understanding customer service, growth never stops. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Skillshare offer affordable courses on almost any topic, and free YouTube tutorials are also a fantastic resource. When you keep expanding your knowledge, you'll be better equipped to stand out and offer higher quality. Plus, the more you learn, the easier it becomes to adapt to challenges and changes in your hustle. Each new skill or piece of knowledge makes your side hustle more valuable and resilient. Number 9, build a support network. No one becomes successful alone. Having a support system can keep you motivated and give you insights you might not see on your own. Join groups, forums, or social media communities related to your side hustle. Many side hustlers share tips, support each other, and offer advice in online groups. If you have friends or family who support your goals, involve them in your journey. They can offer encouragement, feedback, and even referrals, helping you build a network of people who want to see you succeed. A support network boosts motivation and provides guidance, making the hustle journey less lonely and more enjoyable. Number 10, track your progress and adjust as needed. One of the best ways to stay on track is by measuring your results. Keep track of your earnings, the time you spend, and the impact of any changes you make. Adjust your strategies based on what's working and what's not. If you find certain tasks or methods aren't bringing in clients or customers, it's okay to switch things up. Flexibility and adaptation are key to a successful side hustle. And remember, mistakes are a part of growth. Monitoring your progress and being open to change can make a big difference in achieving your goals. Number 11. Consider expanding or scaling your hustle. As your side hustle grows, you may find opportunities to expand or add more services. Maybe you can increase your rates, add a new product line, or reach out to a bigger audience through marketing. Scaling doesn't mean you have to invest a ton of money. Simple steps, like reaching out to new clients or improving your website, can help increase your reach. And if you reach the point where your side hustle becomes a main source of income, you might even consider turning it into a full-time business. When you're ready, consider expanding, but remember that small steps can have a big impact. Starting a side hustle from scratch may seem challenging, but with clear goals, patience, and a willingness to learn, it's more achievable than you think. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. By staying consistent and focusing on providing value, you'll be well on your way to building a side hustle that not only boosts your income, but also enriches your life. And if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on turning dreams into reality. Let's make that side hustle happen.